So the first thing to do is to slide the seat as far back as it'll go so you can access the two bolts. So you have one bolt here and another bolt on the other runner. So I'm going to do the two front ones first. So now that the two front bolts are out, you can slide the seat all the way forward, drop the back, and then you can access the two bolts that are in the back. So now that you've took all the bolts out, get the seat so it's more or less in the centre and tilt the seat backwards. So I've just supported the seat there with a little piece of wood. So there are two plugs. There are two plugs underneath the seat here. So one yellow, one blue there. And they need to be disconnected. So what I'll do is I'll disconnect the plugs and then pull the seat out and then show you how the plugs actually get disconnected, because it's pretty much impossible to film under there and do it at the same time. So these two plugs just have this little bit here, pushes in, it's flexible. So you push that in and just pull the plug out. Same with the blue one, it's exactly the same. Push it in. You can see it's like a lever mechanism that releases a little little notch, and they just pull out. So I'll put the seat down. Now this is easy with it being a convertible, but it's no different than any other type. I've just dropped the headrest. I'm just going to lift the seat out.